Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today I have with me the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. This is a brand new smartphone in the Narzo series and I'm curious to see what this phone packs. So without waiting any further, I'm going to go ahead, unbox this device and give you my first impressions of it. But while I do it, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click that bell icon so that you're the first to know when we have a new video. So this is what the box of the Narzo 20 Pro looks like, and in typical Realme fashion you've got a bright yellow box. There are a few key specifications mentioned on the device, and the first one that did catch my eye is 65 watt super dart charging, and it also packs in a 4500 mAh battery. It has a MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor, a 90Hz ultra smooth display, so you do have a 90Hz refresh rate, and a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup. So it does look interesting. I do have the black Ninja color, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. You get a smoked case in the box along with documentation. I'm going to keep that aside. And then comes the phone. I have to flip it to pop it out. This is the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Open it. So this is the Ninja Black color variant. As you can see, this has got the Narzo branding in landscape mode. The camera module also, as you can see, it's got a quad camera setup. It's arranged in a pill-shaped module at the back towards the top left corner. It's got a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. No ports at the top. At the bottom, you've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, and the bottom firing speaker. On the left, you've got the volume buttons as well as the SIM tray. And the fingerprint scanner pretty much doubles up as the power button as well. So let's power it up. If there's any juice left in it. Okay, it's warming up. So I'll keep this aside and go on to check what else do you get in the box. And as expected, it's the charger. So this is the Super Dart 65 watt charger. As usual, this is the USB Type-C cable, and just like every other Realme device, it has yellow inserts. And right at the bottom there is the SIM eject tool. So now that I have it, let's just check the SIM configuration before I set up this device. As you can see, it's got a triple slot. So there's two nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. Let's quickly put that in and go ahead with setting up the device. While it is setting up, let's run through the specifications. The processor that is powering the Realme Narzo 20 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G95. This is a gaming processor. The G series is for gaming processors, and I haven't tested a smartphone with the MediaTek Helio G95, so I'm curious to see how this will perform. So with the smartphone, you get two RAM options, 6GB of RAM and 8GB of RAM, and two storage options, that's 64GB of storage and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. At the front, you have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Now this is something Realme has been doing with a lot of its smartphones. We've seen it on the Realme 6, the Realme 6 Pro, and now the Narzo 20 Pro also has a 90Hz refresh rate, which honestly at this price point isn't very common. Okay, let's add a fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is on this side, as you can see, and it's very easy to set the fingerprint scanner up. So the phone runs Realme UI on top of Android 10. You do have a few apps pre-installed on the device. The phone packs in a 4500 mAh battery, which is basically a combination of two 2250 mAh batteries, and it is capable of 65 watt fast charging. I think this is really quick, and Realme claims that it's going to take under 40 minutes to charge this up to 100% zero. So that is going to be interesting. So let's talk about the quad camera setup that you get on the Narzo 20 Pro. The primary camera is a 48 megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture. The second one is a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with a 119 degree field of view. You also get a 2 megapixel black and white portrait camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. And at the front, so you have a hole punch at the side that has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone weighs about 191 grams. Now I am curious to test out the new Helio G95 SoC as well as 65 watt fast charging on this device. So stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the full review. So that was a quick unboxing and my first look at the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Now what do you think about the smartphone? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.